Hey there, tax-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down confusing topics like viewing your self-assessment statement for 2025 into simple, actionable steps. If you're preparing for the upcoming tax year, this guide is essential to ensure you're on top of your finances and avoid any surprises from HMRC. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a self-assessment statement? It's an official document from HMRC that summarizes your income, taxes paid, and any refunds or payments due for the year. For 2025, it's crucial to check this early to spot any issues and stay compliant. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official HMRC website. Make sure it's the real one to avoid scams. Step 1. Log into your government gateway account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it using your national insurance number, email, and a few personal details. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, head to the Self-Assessment section on the dashboard. Look for options like View Your Tax Return or Manage Your Account. From there, select the year 2025. HMRC usually lists multiple years, so double-check you're picking the right one. Now, you'll see your self-assessment statement. Take a moment to review it carefully. Scan for your income details, tax calculations, and any outstanding balances. If everything looks good, great. But if you notice errors, don't panic. HMRC allows you to update your information online. A quick tip: always keep your contact details up to date in your account to receive important notifications. If you run into login troubles or have questions, visit the HMRC help page or call their support line. There you have it. Viewing your 2025 self-assessment statement is straightforward and empowers you to manage your taxes like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.